Making a mix of pretzels and oatmeal. I did not wash my hands.
Wash your hands.
Sorry, I washed my hands.
You're welcome.
This is my sweetie pie. Are you gonna put this peanut butter in it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna mix the peanut butter, this stuff, and make some little energy bite balls. And the secret ingredient, honey. Okay. So we're mixing in the peanut butter and the honey. And we're actually using the crunchy and the natural. We're basically short on peanut butter, so we had to mix two together. We're actually ordering from Kroger right now and having it delivered because we're trying to do the stay-at-home thing.
Did you tell them why I'm making this?
No.
Because you keep eating all of the snacks. And this is a quick bite that is limited, and you won't eat all of it.
Well, it's really good. It's a fairly, I mean, it's kind of high in calories and fat, but it's just natural. It's peanut butter, oatmeal, pretzels, and honey. So
You can add chocolate to it. A lot of people will add chocolate chips to it. I did Nutella one time. It was good, but we don't have that.
I don't want Nutella. I'm trying to have abs at some point this summer. How long do you mix this, and to what consistency are you looking for here?
I don't know.
We need to put some more honey in it, is my opinion, and then they'll be more bally and sticky. So we just took some parchment paper and spread it over a large pan, and because these things are super sticky. So we're just going to put them in here, and you basically throw them in the refrigerator. You're starting to form them.
Can you hand me the parchment paper?
Oh, you need it. She needs
so
it. She needs the parchment paper. When I was a little kid, I called it Parliament paper because I don't really know why. I said a lot of words backwards as a child. Oh, those look good. Can I have one?
Mm-hmm.
What?
No.
They're not ready?
I mean, you put them in the fridge.
Can we once we put them in the pan, can we drizzle them with honey like this?
If that makes you feel better.
Oh my God, it would make me feel amazing. Yeah, that would make me feel great. Look at that. Just look at all the goodness wrapped up into one of these bad boys.
And a lot of people will measure it out, and there's an exact consistency and stuff. I just kind of throw it all together. I don't really measure.
The grocery store is out of so much stuff. We don't normally use this honey, but we use local honey, but we were out.
Hey, local honey man, your baby's in your bread.
I know. Look, she loves bread. Do you love bread? I love bread. Are you excited about the energy balls?
Yeah, that's what we want her to say when she gets older.
Say you like them too, but you can't have honey or peanut butter yet. Oh, drizzle the honey. Thank you, honeybees, for making this possible. All right, sweet. These things are gonna go into the refrigerator, and once they chill, they'll be ready to eat, and they'll be delicious. I can't wait any longer.
Just wait till after. Wait till I'm done. You're gonna miss some. Please just wait.
Fine. Hey everybody, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and you can have a delicious snack now. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Try to put out more good videos soon. See ya.